Nest. I'm on a road trip this time. I am located in Grand Rapids, Michigan at one of my favorite crafting locations called the Craft Outlet. So let's see what kind of crafting trouble we can get into today. So today I am on the hunt for chipboard, I'm on the hunt for mixed media, and I'm on the hunt for paper always. The Craft Outlet is also my go-to place for dyes and for stencils, as well as rice paper. They just have hundreds of selections to choose from, and it makes me dizzy just thinking about it all. Great companies, things like Jeannie's Art Vintage, Creative Expression. I mean, some companies I've never even heard of, companies I have heard of like Gemini. It's just, it never ends. It just doesn't end. The paper here is to die for. And it's such amazing companies, Echo Park, Simple Stories, Graphic 45. Companies I've also never even heard of but are really cool, and I love being introduced to something new. One of my favorite things about the Craft Outlet is that you just never know what you're going to find from visit to visit. Tons of Tim Holtz right now, ephemera through the roof, and just, I'm overwhelmed by how cute it all is. I cannot get enough of this. The only thing preventing me from going crazy is I do have a budget, so I have to behave. But if you're looking for a place that won't break the bank, but you can still indulge, this is the place to come. I'm back from the Craft Outlet. Fun day. And I want to show you what I hauled. First up, I'm always on the lookout for something new or different, and I keep an open mind when I walk in the door because you just never know what you're going to find. The product changes from day to day because it does have the outlet aspect to it. They do have the retail formatting of it as well. But the other lesson I've learned is if you don't grab it while you're there, you're going to regret it. So I tend to get what I want while I'm there. One of my favorite finds was a mini strawberry album by Scrapaholics. This is going to be a project we're going to get into in the future. I'm also flamingo obsessed and could not pass up the MDF standing flamingo. So this will be another project that we get into. So there's going to be some painting in our future. So two very cute. And guys, $3, you can't beat that. Next up, I'm always on the lookout for unusual or high quality washi tape. I have a hoard of it, but a girl can never have enough. And if it's pink and flowery, it will find its way into my albums and into my projects. So this particular one was it's Echo Park, 30 feet of it for $2. Again, can't beat it. And then title slides. Now, here's a fun thing about these. I can use this as it's intended, but then I lose the back page, right? If I do a 12 by 12 album. So do yourself a favor and buy more than one. I can use one for the actual journal cards, and I can use the other because I fell in love with the back paper, which tell me could not be used for watermelons, but it also makes me think about strawberries. So we'll see how I get into trouble with these. And then last but not least, what I was on the hunt for. Paper that involved sea themes. So to keep a girl focused, the first project I'm going to be diving into is bringing this paper line that I bought at the Craft Outlet to life and creating a Life Under the Sea mini album. Thanks for joining me in the nest today. I hope you had as much fun checking out the craft outlet with me as I did. It's always a place of fun and inspiration for me. If you like this type of content, please take a moment to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can see where my next scrapbooking adventures are going to take me.